Hi, welcome to Sherwood RV's 2-minute tour on the Rockwood 2912. It's a 2020 model. Come on along and I'll show you the highlights. Under the 21-foot awning are the solid step stairs and oversized grab handle. The 2912 has a large outdoor kitchen, complete with a 3.2 cubic foot fridge, a swing-out 2-burner stovetop, and a cabinet, all lit up by a motion-activated LED light. The back is a 300-pound accessory hitch, a ladder that gives you access to the fully walkable roof that comes with a Rockwood 12-year warranty. Also find a spare tire, outdoor shower, and a winterization and water filler access door. 50 amp service connection, 2 slides, and access to more storage makes up the driver's side. Under the large front window is a power tongue jack, 30-pound propane tank cover, and dual battery box. A stylish decor with warm tones greet you as you enter the Rockwood 2912. A freestanding dinette sits underneath a large picture window, and beside that a comfortable love seat. Directly across is the entertainment wall that holds a TV, stereo, and fireplace. Beside that is the fridge freezer with the raised wood panels, along with a well-designed kitchen with room for the coffee pot as well as extended prep space. The bed is surrounded by windows and has a shelf on both sides. Wardrobe cabinetry at the front surround a comfortable bench with 110 outlets. And as you can see, storage is not a problem in this bedroom. The huge bathroom offers a roomy corner shower complete with the water miser system, under-sink cabinetry, and a medicine cabinet. The bathroom has ample cabinetry for towels and toiletries, as well a walk-in closet with lots of shelving, and it's plumbed for a washer-dryer. Do you think the 2912 might be right for you? Call, email, or just come on in. At Sherwood RV, we can talk Rockwood all day long.